Good morning, fellow Ambazonians. This is Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Savannah State. I've come today to inform you about the happenings in Besali. Our overall commander in the great state of Momo, General Sumanguru, had received a distress call from the people of Besali of an incident that included the death of 8 youths in Besali who were being chased into River Manu by the forces of General Daiman. The Ambazonia Governing Council and the ADF had engaged the community of Tale, Besali, Bechati, and the whole greater Lebialem area to discuss about the need for them to call us and not turn to the occupation forces in case of any distress or any conflict between local forces and the general population. It is treason for any Ambazonian community to call on a foreign military to intervene in conflict within our national territory. Lebialem, Besali are all liberated Ambazonian areas, and our forces on the ground decided to intervene in Besali due to these incidents. It was not an operation targeting General Daiman or his forces. We don't know if he still works under Sokadev, who have engaged with the Swiss process and had signed a ceasefire deal, but our forces were confronted by the forces of General Daiman. One of their soldiers was unfortunately shot dead. We regret that happening. Our forces have visited the local authorities, have had rallies with the population to reassure them that the Ambazonian Defense Forces is going to stand by the population to protect them against any threat from within and from without. Our population abroad and at home have been informed that we, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, we intend to negotiate with other forces to make sure that our code of conduct will be applied across Ambazonia. And every force will have to live by standards not repugnant to our code of conduct. The fight for our independence, the fight for our liberation is as important as protecting our people against the excesses of certain forces that are not well structured. The fight against kidnapping for ransom, the fight against abuse of our civilians is as important as the fight against the occupation forces of La République du Cameroon. It is not tolerable for our population to have to turn to the occupation forces responsible for a genocidal policy against our own people. We are going to continue to work with all local communities across the 13 states in Ambazonia to reassure our people that the Ambazonia Defense Forces and all freedom fighters stand side by side with the people to fight a common enemy, La République du Cameroon, and to protect the integrity and human rights of our local population. We are going to keep you updated. We are going to release media material from our visit in Besali within the coming days after the War Council have been briefed and those footages have been cleared by our security bureau. God bless you. My country people them, my papa, my mommy them, I want to tell you what that happened for inside Besali for the past 24 hours. We were here for 2 days ago. The people there for Besali then call our general way there for Momo, General Sumanguru, said they get problem because 8 of their picking them they be go die for inside River Manu, where they be follow them. This General Daiman and the army they be follow them, then die for River Manu. We be then engaged with the governing council for Ambazonia, for the local population for the whole Lebialem area, Tale and other places where General Ayeki be die for they say, me they no ever call La République when they do work a key with people them when they get problem with any local forces. We be done promise and say we will always intervene for stand with the people them in case of any problem. Our forces then be go for inside day, they not be going to go fight another force, but they be go listen for the population and for help them if we be free help them. When we want go for day, General Daiman and a soldier then be attacked with for road, we kill one of their soldier. It be very, very unfortunate, but I say it happened. We'll go meet out the population, we'll run discuss with them, we'll run reassure them, and we want to tell all Ambazonians and say, we for the ADF, all forces them for Ambazonia, they must abide to our code of conduct, or at least mean and make their own code of conduct, because it be very important who fight against kidnapping for ransom and all the atrocity, the way some excesses, the way some few bad apple them for inside the forces that they do and for our population. Because if we know win the heart of our population, forget their support as it always did when this struggle will start, then we will lose this war. So now why that we will go for day and we call on all forces, they say me them became protect our civilian, they fight only against La République. But we no go hesitate for stand with the population for help them, for make sure say make the integrity for the revolution may stand up. So make no man not ever talk for La Republic or for call La Republic where una get problem, una call we. And we call on all forces of ground zero. Say me then collaborate with our forces them, with our national force for Ambazonia, so that we will be effective for fight against a common enemy. Make una stop for harass our population. Make una stop for do anything if they manipulate una from abroad. As we hear leak video them they talk say now some people the way they work under this Sakoi people them that they manipulate people them for do that kidnapping for ransom. We don't hear for the people them for inside Bafut. We talk me all forces them then do the same for make sure say we will protect our civilian them while we fight for liberate the country. God bless you now.